Hello guys, welcome back. Today is going to be so fun. I did not film much this morning. I just went to Orange Theory and what else did I do? Watch YouTube. But we're gonna do a bake-off tonight and we're not losing. It's going to be Eddie and Jordan, me and Reagan, and then Grace and her little friends. But I'm going to bring you along and let's go see what the girls are doing. Okay, behind the scenes of Grace and her friends. That's Olivia and Ada. They got the kitchen first.
Because we're the best.
And you're gonna lose. This smells so good.
Okay, and 3 till X.
Yeah, yes, you are now. So now you are. Be harder, right?
Getting the essentials. We have so many fun things here. Okay, the next stop is Giant. No, first ABC store and then Giant. Because the sun is bright. What's the drink we're doing? It's like a peppermint schnapps.
Fireball.
No, we don't need Fireball. Okay, bye. Okay, so now we can't do the drink because they ran out of all of the things we need for it. So now we're looking for sweet potato puree and cream of tartar? I don't even know what that. Oh, here we go. Oh my gosh, I found it. Bingo! Okay, I don't know what else we need. This idiot needs Chick-fil-A.
I hope you fucking.
I know, I'm gonna hit the curb. I don't even think this is right. Chick-fil-A time. We gotta hurry home because we got baking to do. We got to win is what we gotta do. We got Chef Papa Dean in the house.
You do. Fresh grated cheese.
French onion soup.
Yep.
And a tenderloin that is in a lot of juice, basically.
Marinated.
Marinated. And now we gotta get bacon. Gotta get bacon.
Oh.
Go down here.
Thanks, it's me.
Lauren finally put deodorant on.
In 1/3, yeah. Yeah. Batter done. Now we have to do Bella's. Okay, that's our little secret. We're making Reagan's dog a part of our creation. We're gonna make her, yeah, we're making her treats. I don't know how they're edible for humans, so I wonder how they're gonna taste.
Alright, so yeah, I heard about that.
You have to lay it out.
Stir wet ingredients in the dry. What?
With the thin roller.
Yeah, this is like goopy. It's
It's not gonna stick like
That's
that.
huh?
Should we kill it?
I don't know what chilling's gonna do with this because this is literally flour, egg, and pumpkin.
Okay. So just dump all that. Should we spray it?
Yeah, 100%.
This?
Yeah.
The aftermath of all the cooking. But look at her. Oh my gosh. Like, are you kidding? We're literally gonna win.
Literally.
And then we're gonna add this on top with vanilla ice cream.
Will you put some around the rim? It'll make it a little lot.
Oh, can you stack
It sucks.
on its back?
I know, but it'll make it look good. So put some like milk or something around the rim.
Ours looks the
I don't even know if my sprinkles are anymore.
That's so cute. Like, come on.
Let it fall.
I have it. No, I have it.
With judge number 1. Taste. Eggnog, 9. Cupcake, 9. Cookie skillet, 10. Presentation. The eggnog got a 9. The cupcake got a 10. And the cookie skillet got a 9. So we have
That's hot.
2 19s.
So the cupcake and the cookie skillet tied on that one.
Obviously, and cinnamon. And then Eddie and I found this cinnamon toast crunch.
Okay.
There's a little sugar. Official results are in.
Okay.
Can we get a drum roll? The official winner of the 2021 Great Dean Family Bake Off
Yeah.
is the cookie skillet. This was a close bake off. The second place winner, 55 points, the cupcakes.
Woo!
And third place,
Over there.
the eggnog with the ginger cookies, 54 points.